Basecamp Enterprise Marketing App. The pros, the cons. If your enterprise wants to streamline marketing, track leads, and boost conversions, Basecamp Enterprise Marketing App claims to provide a powerful solution, but is it the right choice for large organizations? On the positive side, Basecamp offers advanced lead management, marketing automation, and sales analytics in a single platform. Its standout feature is real-time insights, which allow marketing teams to monitor campaign performance, segment audiences, and adjust strategies quickly. Integration with popular marketing tools and email platforms ensures smooth workflows, while automated workflows handle follow-ups, lead scoring, and nurturing sequences. Many enterprises see improved lead conversion rates and better alignment between marketing and sales teams. However, there are some drawbacks. While Basecamp is feature-rich, setup and customization can be complex for large teams with unique processes. Enterprise pricing can be high, and the learning curve for new users may slow adoption initially. Additionally, while automation is powerful, human oversight is still needed to ensure campaigns are contextually relevant and accurate. Most people get this wrong. They assume CRM automation alone guarantees higher sales. The surprising truth is that Basecamp works best when combined with clear marketing strategies and active team engagement. Automation enhances efficiency, but strategy drives results. In conclusion, Basecamp Enterprise Marketing App is a comprehensive tool for enterprises aiming to improve lead management, campaign effectiveness, and marketing sales alignment. Its real-time insights, automation, and integration capabilities provide teams with the tools to operate more efficiently and make data-driven decisions. For organizations ready to invest in setup and training, Basecamp delivers a scalable and intelligent marketing solution.